This Ramazan, don't just pass time. Transform your future with a skill that helps you earn from home. Ramazan is the month of self-improvement and spiritual growth. It's the perfect time to invest in your own growth and career. Are you ready to build a career in the digital world? Creative Institute of IT Multan is here to guide you every step of the way. Our specialized IT courses are designed to make you industry ready, providing practical skills that matter in today's market. We are excited to announce our Ramazan special offer. Enroll now to get exclusive discounts on our top-rated programs. From web development to graphic design, learn the skills that are in high demand globally and start earning. Don't miss this chance to transform your life this holy month. Join our community of successful professionals today. Visit us in Multan or sign up online. Creative Institute of IT, where your future begins.